Skymen Cleaning Equipment Shenzhen Company Limited, Ultrasonic, which is a leading manufacturer and national high-tech enterprise, was founded in 2007. We have been focusing on R&D of ultrasonic equipment and cleaning solutions for more than 15 years. There are more than 120 patents and certificates in total, owned more than 200 employees, and multiple sets of equipment, including bending machine. Our products range covers household ultrasonic cleaner, benchtop ultrasonic cleaner, industrial ultrasonic cleaner, customized ultrasonic cleaner, etc. Products include CE, FCC, PSE, KC, and other safety certification, as well as RoHS, PAHS, REACH, SCCP environmental certification, and passed the ISO 9001 and ISO 13485 quality management system. At the same time, we have SGS factory inspection report and BSCI certification. We have an area of 25,000 square meters of factory buildings and can reach a production capacity of 2,000 units per day. Based on this strength and advantage, we have been deeply involved in the development of the ultrasound industry, and we have reached cooperation with major supermarkets such as LIDL, Walmart, ALDI, and so on. Welcome to contact us and get more information.
Hi everyone, welcome to Skymen Group. Skymen has focused on ultrasonic cleaner for 50 years. The production scale is strong. The R&D team has advanced technology and complete certificates. Many different types of household, desktop, and industrial ultrasonic cleaners for your choice. Ultrasonic cleaner removes oil, rust, dirt, dust, dirty marks, and deguming. Solve more cleaning difficulties for you. Looking forward to working with you. Thank you.